So I'd like to talk about a way to get a little inner motion in your chord progressions. In other words, turning it into like a little string trio on your fingerboard instead of a block chord. What I like to do is, instead of using the finger on the root, use the second finger on the root. And finger all those chords with your second, third, and fourth fingers. Now that leaves your first finger free to do something else with. And there's a couple of things. One actually very effective thing to do too, which I should mention now, is it's free. Just double the third, and it makes a little thicker sound if you want to make a little more impression with your chords. Above and below, above, kind of like this, almost like a little Django Reinhardt run up in between your chord. This is a nice device to use either for playing melodies, a form of chord melody, or in your accompaniment, even just behind someone else playing or singing. I find I use that little movement of just the seventh to the sixth a lot of times if I'm playing a B flat chord for 4 bars or so, rather than just that little subtle variation in sound can give you some nice control. Just make it not quite as monotonous and give you a little direction to your chords. And really useful voicings for a variety of purposes. C6, F major 7th, F6, B flat, going through the cycle 5th, E flat, A flat, D flat. So those are just a few of the possibilities you can do with that one basic move, alternating 2 fingers.